Aloha everyone and welcome to Skincare with Hiram. If you don't know who I am, my name's Hiram and I'm passionate about teaching you how to perfect your skincare routine. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every week. So it's gonna be a quick video today because I am dressed for work. I am ready to go. But I was like, you know what, last minute, I'm just gonna sit down, film a quick video and yeah. Today I'm talking about the best holiday skincare gift sets that you can get this season. And if you're familiar with some of my other videos talking about how you can save money on skincare and luxury skincare and sales and stuff like that, you will know that I am cheap as fuck and I can't say no to a bargain. One of the best strategies for saving money on skincare is waiting until the holiday seasons to stock up on your items, because holiday sets have so many fucking freebies that you need to take advantage of. So if you're a cheapo like I am, this video is for you. All of the links to each of these products will be linked in the description box below, so you can check it out there. And yeah, get broke, bitches. The first product I'm talking about is the Inspector Drunk Night Kit from Drunk Elephant. If you know me, I absolutely love Drunk Elephant. Right now, they're like my top favorite brand. I'm obsessed with them. I think their products are amazing, super effective, but they're also really, really expensive. So I think finding gift sets for Drunk Elephant is amazing. This kit includes the 1 ounce size of the Glycolic Night Serum, which if you don't know that product, check out my video in the description box below. I did a review on it and I absolutely love it. And it includes 4 other mini items for only $8 more than the full retail price of the Glycolic Night Serum. It's a great set. It's super, super cute. Highly recommend it. The next kit I recommend is the Dr. Jart Cicapair. I don't know. Friends Skin Soothers. They're really focused on soothing the skin and getting down redness, which is something that I personally love about the Dr. Jart products. The ingredients aren't the cleanest, but they do such an amazing job at making sure that my redness goes down so much. I absolutely love it. It's super popular line, and the reason why I love this set is because it's only $36. Amazing price. You get minis of pretty much everything, and then I believe 4 full-size masks. But you're trying everything within that repair selection that they have. You're able to try all of it, and then if you like something, you can get it full size later. Highly recommend this kit. The next set is the Caudalie Brightening Hero set. Now, this includes a full size of the Vino Perfect Caudalie Brightening Serum. I absolutely love this serum so much. It's one of these brightening serums that actually works. I just use 1 drop, and I primarily use it on my T-zone and nose because that's where they get the most sun damage. And the results I've seen are amazing. They bring the redness and the dark spots and anything else that could be irritating my skin just down so much. And I love this kit because it's a full size of the serum, and you get a mini size of the moisturizer and the glycolic essence, both of which are super popular products from them, all for the same price as just this serum. And it comes in a super cute box, like such a good deal, such a good deal. The next set we have is the First Aid Beauty Skin Summit set. Now, out of all the sets I'm talking about, I truly believe that this is the best value because the value is set at $115, but it retails for $48. And here's what you're getting. You're getting a full-size face cleanser, full-size ultra repair cream, which if you're not familiar with that product, definitely one of my favorites, especially for people who have eczema or just really dry skin. Incredible. Full-size instant oatmeal mask, full-size radiance serum, and full-size radiance pad sets. Now, if you don't know First Aid Beauty, I personally think they're a highly underrated brand. People dismiss them, but they have some of the cleanest and most effective products out there. They're amazing, and their value sets are just incredible. So if you're really wanting to focus on brightening the skin, but at the same time deeply moisturizing the skin, this is the set for you. And what better price than $48? The next kit comes from one of my favorite brands, Peter Thomas Roth, and it is the Get Drenched kit. Now, this features a full size of the Water Drench Moisturizer, a moisturizer that's great for people who have dry to combination skin. Just incredible, lightweight, but deeply hydrating. And it's awesome because it includes their hydrating serum, which is 75% hyaluronic acid, an insane concentration, and a mini size of the cleanser too, for the same price as a normal moisturizer, $52. Great kit, love it. The next one is another one from Drunk Elephant and is the Big Reveal Kit. This features a full size of the Sukari Baby Facial Mask from Drunk Elephant. If you haven't tried this mask, holy shit, go to Sephora, get a sample. It's incredible. This mask just helps to brighten the skin, soften the skin, get rid of any dead skin cells, and it's at an extremely high concentration with 25% alpha hydroxy acid and 2% beta hydroxy acid, which is pretty much higher than you can find in the industry. But because it's Drunk Elephant, they're formulated without a lot of ingredients that could sensitize your skin, therefore making it really safe for people with sensitive skin, like moi. This kit is awesome as well because it includes 3 mini Drunk Elephant products as well as a full-size lip balm balm from them for only $8 more than the actual price of the Sakari itself, $88. Again, Drunk Elephant's usually pretty pricey and they don't usually do stuff like this, so I highly recommend it if you're interested in Drunk Elephant products. The next one is actually created by Sephora itself, and it's the Scouted by Sephora skincare set. Now this one's awesome because I believe all the products in this are certified as clean by Sephora, meaning that they're formulated without a lot of ingredients that could be irritating or harmful to certain skin types. And I love this because it's a great opportunity for you to try everything, see what you like from every brand, because it does feature the most popular products from every single clean skincare brand that Sephora has, in my belief. It's $44, really good price point, and the packages are just like so adorable because they're all like cute little mini ones that you can reuse. They're just fucking adorable. Back at it again with Dr. Jart. This is the Sarah Never Runs Dry kit. Now, if you're not familiar with the ceramiding cream from Dr. Jart, holy shit, it is a miracle for people with dry skin. It's such a luxurious, thick cream, but the ingredients are jam-packed with powerful antioxidants and deep, hydrating, soothing ingredients. This includes a full size of the ceramiding cream, but also 2 minis, and then I think 2 of the ceramidin masks, all retailing for the same price as a full-size ceramidin cream. You're getting a bunch of freebies with this. It's awesome, a great way to try Dr. Jart products and see what you like. And the last one is the Glam Glow Problem Solver set. Now, a lot of people don't know about this kit, but I think it's great. It includes a full size of the charcoal mask by Glam Glow. It's actually the mega size, the one that usually retails for $79. But the great thing about this one is that it includes a full-size cleanser as well as a mask applicator tool in the kit for the same price as the mega size of the Glam Glow. So you're basically getting 2 products for the price of 1. Super good deal. Highly recommend it, especially if you are a Glam Glow lover, which I know there's a lot of people who are obsessed with Glam Glow. I highly recommend this one for you guys. And those are all my favorite kits that I've come across. What are some of your favorites? Let me know in the comment section down below because, girl, I gotta know where I'm gonna be spending my money. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week. And thank you guys so much for being here. I will see you in the next video. Bye. I